Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make a photo into a dotted circle on Photoshop. Let's begin. Go to File, Open, create a new file, create a new layer and right click, use ellipse tool, fill color, any color and stroke, red color. Press enter. Click, use dotted, again press enter, hold shift, change the outside, change the dotted size. Okay. Then go to file, open and open any image. Press Ctrl T, resize on your image. Right click, use create a clipping mask. Hold Ctrl, select, press Ctrl Z. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.